Vamsi Krishna. I am 2025 Electronics and Communication graduate. After completion of my graduation, I am looking. I have passionate about embedded system course. So I am looking embedded system course in Bangalore. I joined in IIES, Indian Institute of Embedded Systems. The institute provides so many skills like C, C++, embedded C, so many hands-on experience on microcontrollers like 8051 and ARM LPC 1768 and Linux and as well as Python also. So after completion, I have gained more knowledge about these skills, and I have gained practical experience and practical knowledge and real-world examples. So I can done with this. After completion of my graduation, so IIES team provides mentorship and they're providing a lot of placements. In placements, recently I have been selected in Tata Elxsi as an embedded engineer. So thank you for IIES. Thank you.